today we are here to present a final project titled as Design and Fabrication of 5-axis CNC Machine. So basically our machine has 3 linear axes, which is the x-axis, the y-axis and the z-axis, and our machine possesses 2 rotational axes. One is about the x-axis, which is being caused by this motor and this mechanism, the roll axis, and then we have the yaw axis, which is being caused by this motor and this mechanism which rotates the jet. And later on we will be able to see the working of our machine.